Hello friends, welcome to the another video. Actually this is a continuation from part 1. Those who are not viewed part 1 should see the part 1 first, then come to see this. Okay, you can see the part 1 from the description box. Today we are going to show you the next 4 steps of 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube. First one, dredge making. The next one, white cross. Third one, first layer. And the fourth one, edge pairing. Okay, let's move to the video. We already completed the first step, center creation. All the 6 sides centers are completed now. Now move to dredge making. This is a dredge. Okay, this is green and white color. I'm looking for another green and white color edge. Okay, yes, this is a white and green color edge. I just match with this edge. Okay, and I just kept the top side and unmatched threads to this position and make that center. Okay, now okay, this is another edge. Just match with the last one. Now we got a perfect thread of white and green color. Okay, okay, I'm looking for another color, yellow and red color. Yes, this is an yellow and red color, but here this is not matched. So in this case I just do this step and make it easily here, and I just brought to the top side and make the center as before. And I'm looking for another similar edge. Yes, yes, I got it, and I match with this, and similarly I just kept in the top side and make the center as before. Now the centers are okay now, and we got two threads. Okay, you can see I got a perfect blue yellow colors. I'm going to match with this edge, but this is in straight line, so I just do this algorithm. Now this is in opposite side. Okay, now we got another thread. I just kept in the top side and make the center as before. This is orange and white. The similar method we can apply here also. Okay, it's not matched. Okay, I'm going to match here. Okay, one is remaining. This is the okay, orange and white colors are there, and this also I just kept in the top side. Okay, 3 threads are there. 1 2 3 4 threads are there. Okay, this is blue and red color. Okay, this should be matched here. In the similar method I just rotate. We cannot keep in the top side, so I just move to the bottom and unmatch threads in that position and make the center as before. Now we got the 5th thread, and I'm choosing white and blue color. I'm brought to the position. Okay, it's matched now. I'm looking for the another white and blue color. Yes, this is another white and blue color. I matched with that. Brought to the bottom side. Center also okay. 4 5 6 threads are there. This is white and red color. Looking for the another white and red. Yes, this is another white and red color edge cube. I'm gonna match with that. Okay, let's match. One cube is remaining. Yes, that is the cube. And bring to the position. Okay, it's matched now. Just rotate the bottom side and unmatched threads to be in the position and make the center as before. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 threads are okay now. This is the 8th one. Yes, it's matched now. We completed 8 threads now. This is orange and green color. Sorry, yellow and orange color. Okay. One is remaining there. Okay, I got that particular cube and I may bring to that perfect position. Okay, make the threads, bring to bottom and unmatch threads to be the position and make the center as before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are okay now. Only 2 are remaining. Here we can see that orange and green color piece should be matched with the left side. Okay, so in this case we cannot do in the previous algorithms. We can use a special algorithm which is called parity case algorithm. Okay, this piece should come to this area and this in another right side, which means vice versa. Okay, move to the parity case algorithm. Keep the cube like this and do this algorithm. Both left side anti-clockwise, upper layer twice, both left side anti-clockwise, upper layer twice, and front layer twice, both left side anti-clockwise, front layer twice, both right side clockwise, upper layer twice, both right side anti-clockwise, upper layer twice, and the last one both left side twice. Now we got a partial threads. Okay, and we need to do the same algorithm, then we have to complete the 12 threads. Okay, now you have to see that this piece should be come to the right side. Okay, so keep it in the right side. Okay, and we have to repeat the same algorithm, both left side anti-clockwise and upper layer twice, both left side anti-clockwise, upper layer twice, front layer twice, both left side anti-clockwise, front layer twice, both right side clockwise, upper layer twice, both right side anti-clockwise, upper layer twice, and both left side twice. You see, we got a perfect trudge here. Now 12 trudges are completed. Okay. For 5 by 5 Rubik's cube, one more parity case will be appear. This is that case. You see, there is two pieces are okay. In the middle piece is not matched with the other two pieces, which means all the 11 trudges are okay now, and one is not corrected. For this case, we have to do a special algorithm. Kindly note the algorithm. Both right side twice, back side twice, upper layer twice, both left side clockwise, upper layer twice, both right side anti-clockwise, upper layer twice, both right side clockwise, upper layer twice, front layer twice, both right side clockwise, front layer twice, both left side anti-clockwise, back side twice, both right side twice. After this algorithm, we got a perfect trudge here. Okay, these two parity cases are will be appear in this 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. Okay, now we completed all the trudges. We are moving to next step, which is white cross, which is similar to 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. To bring all the white colors in the yellow side. Okay, and match with the adjacent color. This is okay now. Side, this is not match, and match with the green color. Again, go to down. Orange color. Just look for the orange color. Yes, this is the orange color. Now this is match. Now go to down. Red color. Okay, this is also okay. Now we get a white cross. Now move to the next step, which is first layer. These four corners should be matched with white color. This is orange and blue color. Do RH algorithm R, U, R dash and U dash. Again R, U, R dash and U dash. Now we got a white color there. Move to the next side. This is green and orange. This is the same perfect cube. Do the RH algorithm again. Yes, we got the white color also there. This is red and green side. This cube is orange and green, so we need to look for the perfect cube. This is the cube. This cube should be come to the bottom side. Do the RH algorithm until the white color matches with the bottom white color. The RH algorithm is same as for 3 by 3 4 by 4 Rubik's cubes, so I didn't explain here also. This is blue and red. This is the last one. Do RH algorithm R, U, R dash and U dash. We got a perfect first layer. Okay, now we move to the last step, which is edge pairing. Actually, this is not the last step. This is the last step of this video. This is green and red color threads. It should be matched here. So I just rotate right side and do LH algorithm first. L dash, U dash, L and U, and do the RH algorithm. Now we got that thread matched here. Looking for the another. This is green and orange side. Do LH algorithm first, then RH algorithm. Okay, now we got two threads or two edge pairing. This is the same thread should be matched here, but in the another position. Okay, look for the another thread. This is red and blue color. Red and blue color should be matched here. I just rotate to the right side and do LH algorithm first, then RH algorithm. Okay, for this case we need to take out these threads to the top side. Okay, then again bring to the exact position. Okay, okay, now this is orange. I just match with here. This should be go to the right side, so I just rotate left side and do RH algorithm first, then LH algorithm. This is similar to 3 by 3, so no need to explain everything. Now we completed first 5 steps. This is end of the video now. Stay tuned for the part 3. Thanks for watching.